Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and another Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio update. It's not been a great week on the markets, but so you'll notice from the portfolio it's a little bit down. I did pick up a new stock. If you're watching the channel and following along, well, thank you, number one. But I posted about a renewable energy stock on one of my last videos, Cielo Waste Solutions. I had a little bit in the account, so I spent about $19 on that. I bought a few stocks that we'll go over it in the portfolio. Of course, as soon as you buy something, the price goes down, but it's a long-term hold. We'll kind of keep an eye on this one as we go. And we are set to get some dividends actually this month as well. It's the middle of the month. We should be getting, I think, one from our office REIT and also our grocery REIT. So we'll have that probably in the portfolio tomorrow. So what we're going to do, because there's that new feature with Wealthsimple, there is fractional shares. If you haven't heard of fractional shares yet, check out my last video on that. You can buy fractional shares of 14 companies on Wealthsimple, some of the higher price stock shares. So what I think I'm going to do, once the dividends come in, you can buy these fractional shares for the minimum of $1. So I think what I'll do is I'll use that to try and get into some of these other companies. Haven't decided which one yet. We'll see how much the dividends that do come in. We'll see how much we can actually put in on a fractional share. So let's just jump in the portfolio for our latest update. Here we are, TFSA. We are up in the year. We can go. We are still up, which is good, 2%. So if you've been following along, you've noticed that we've probably dropped about 2%. But you can see from our last day on the market, we're down 1%, 23.41 on the week. Not great. The week is going to show off weird because I did do a deposit, so it's showing negative 722. That's not correct. We did the monthly deposit, so that's why that's showing. It hasn't really reconciled yet. Something to do with Wealthsimple. I don't know why it does that, but the month will show fine. So we're down 780 on the month. Let's just go through to see where we are. The big one that's been kind of down in the portfolio has been Cineplex. This one is definitely a growth potential stock. With that comes the volatility of that, but and Brookfield Renewables has also been down. So we're down on Brookfield. We haven't bought any new positions on that. We're down 235, just 1% on that. That's nothing to worry about too much, but we are down, well, we're still up 11.46%. So great return still on Cineplex, but we were down from about 20%. So you can see some fluctuation with Cineplex, but I think long-term, I think this one is going to be one to buy and hold. It's always kind of tempting to sell and take your profit, but I think we'll just let this one ride out and see what happens. I think from reading some of the predictions, will be up to about $20. So I think if we can get up to about $20, I will probably sell Cineplex, or at least probably half the Cineplex, put it into some other dividends investments. This is Cielo Waste Solutions. This is the one I was talking about. We are down a little bit, $1.43, 7.28%. We purchased this one about $1.50. So we're not in there with a big position. I had basically spent $20, and we're this down to $18.20. So we'll keep an eye on this one. I think for a long term, we might put some more money into this, but probably not till next month when I do another larger deposit. Greenlane Renewables is also down. We're down 13.95% on that one. That one's not doing that great, but again, long-term hold for this. We are down $50.35. RioCan, a real estate investment trust, is doing well. We are up 11.66%. This one's been a good stock along the whole way, up $47.70. So that's nice. Well, we keep adding stocks to this one. This one does pay the monthly dividends. TransAlta Renewables has actually been doing good as well. We're up 3.85%. This one is going to give us our monthly dividends as well. We have 17 shares of that currently. Solar Alliance Energy. This one is our other growth stock. So we have 300 shares of this. We're down 12.73%, just $10.72. This one, along with the Greenlane Renewables and Cielo Waste Solutions. These are kind of our growth renewable energy plays on the market to see where this goes in the next, say, five years or so. And Slate Office Real Estate Trust. This one we will be receiving a dividend, and we should actually be receiving one, I think, today or tomorrow. We are up 1.6% on this one. This one increased a little bit, but not huge. But we are going to get our regular dividends from this. So this one's kind of going to be a good long-term hold on the portfolio as well. We're up $2.55, but the big thing from this one is getting our regular dividends. And we also have Telus Corp. We have 9 shares of that now. We are up 1.46%. We're just kind of into this one this month, so that's kind of nice to see. Telus is gaining, and we're up $3.61. And then our old standby is the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. We are up 3.09% right now, $30.09 on the all-time on the portfolio. So that's we have 25 shares of that. We have not much to trade right now, but like I said, we will be getting some dividends coming in, so we will add that. Once that comes in, we'll probably look at doing some fractional shares with the new Wealthsimple fractional share options that are available. All right, if you've made it this far and you aren't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button. It is free to subscribe, following along. And thanks to everybody that is following along. This channel has actually grown quite a bit in the last month. It's really appreciated. We've seen the subscribers grow every day. It's kind of fun to log into YouTube and see all the new people. And I've had a lot of people leaving comments. So if you do have a comment or question, I'd be happy to try and answer it. I'm not a financial planner or a financial guru by any means, but if I can help anybody out, I will try to do that, or at least point them in the right direction to get the help they need. Thanks for watching, everybody. Check back tomorrow. Once we get our dividends, we will do our first fractional share purchase on Wealthsimple. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video.